Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a nail art tutorial and I'm going to be recreating one of my favorite designs that I've come up with, which is a rainbow dry brush design with some floral stamping on top. On the left is a picture of the original design that I did last year, and on the right is the new version. And I'm starting off with ORLY's First Kiss, which is a sheer nude polish, and it's totally fine if this is a little bit streaky if you're just applying one coat, because the rainbow dry brush and the stamping is basically going to cover up all of those streaks anyways. And for the rainbow dry brush, I'm using 6 different ORLY polishes, mainly neons, and some of them I actually got to customize myself at the ORLY Color Labs in Los Angeles and online. And if you want to learn how you can customize your own nail polish, then I will leave some links to those videos down below in the description box. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe off as much polish from the brush as I can by wiping the brush against the neck of the bottle, and you want to be able to see the bristles of the brush. On my index nail, I'm starting off with the neon pink polish, and I'm using diagonal strokes to wipe off any remaining polish that's on the brush, and that's going to create these little dry brush strokes. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the orange polish, and I'm going to try to fill in some of those empty spaces. On my middle nail, I did the same thing, except this time I used orange and yellow. On my ring fingernail, I kind of switched it up a little bit from the original design. Last year I did a green and yellow dry brush, but I felt that as a dry brush, the colors looked a little too similar. So this time I opted for a blue and green dry brush, and that gave me room on my pinky to add another color. So on my pinky nail, I did a blue and purple dry brush design, and then on my thumb, which I didn't film, I did a purple and pink dry brush. For the floral stamping on top of the rainbow dry brush, I'm using What's Up Nails Noir, which is a black stamping polish, and I'm stamping a few different full-size floral images from the NICOLE Diary 100 stamping plate, and I thought it was just fun to use a couple different stamping images and do a little mix and match instead of stamping the same image on all of my nails. And then I just cleaned up any excess polish that got onto my skin from the dry brush or the stamping with a brush dipped in some acetone. And finally, I finished off this design with one layer of a fast drying top coat. And here is the finished rainbow dry brush with some floral stamping on top. I love this design and I'd love to hear what you think about it, so let me know by leaving me a comment down below. And if you recreate this design, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at Caramellogram so I can see. But anyways, that's all for today's nail art video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!